Today we're gonna talk about how to transfer points from your American Express card to different travel partners. The first thing you want to do is go into American Express website. We're gonna go ahead and log in into our account, and once you log in, you want to make sure that you have selected a card that earns membership rewards points or Amex points. If you have some other type of American Express cards that earn, for example, Marriott points or Hilton, you obviously those points are going to go directly to your Marriott account or your Hilton account. Those are not going to be membership rewards points, and those are going to be transferred. So you want to make sure you have here selected a card that earns membership reward points, which are transferable. Uh, from here, you have two options. You can go in here where it says rewards and benefits, or you can scroll down here where it says explore rewards. It's going to show your balance of membership reward points. And once you click in there, it's going to take you to the next screen. This is the next screen. And if you scroll down here, you're going to find the link for transfer points. That's where you want to go. You're going to click in there, transfer points. It's going to show you some suggested partners. But if you go slightly lower down here, you're going to see all the transfer partners available by American Express. So here's a list of transfer partners available, and from time to time, American Express is going to run promotions where you could get extra bonus points if you're transferring to one of those partners. It doesn't look like they have any promotions going on right now. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to select where you're going to transfer your points. Let's say you're going to transfer points to Qatar Airlines. We're going to click here. You're going to enter your account number, select the card number. If you have multiple authorized users on your card, their names is going to show up in here. You can transfer to either the primary card number or any of the authorized users on that card. Once you put in your account number, you click continue, and the next step is going to ask you how many points you want to transfer, and that's how you complete your transfer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it was helpful. Please remember to subscribe and hit like if you like this content.